Hello, welcome to our video. This is me from Lista and this is my partner Christine.
Hello.
Today we are going to introduce a new item that we have released recently. This is an inverter pump called model PYPZ 550E. And first of all, let's close the camera to see the appearance of our pumps. As you can see, we have adopted a new design for this pump, which means this pump you can only find in our Lista factory. We have using the gray and black color to make it more advanced, and the out casing is made of plastic, and of course the weight is very light. Yeah. And compared with the traditional pump, I think some of you may be very curious about what is the difference between them. So in the next step, we will show you the operation field of these two pumps and show you the difference between them. 好，这一段结束。